Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog and kung di ka pa lang-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na and like this video. So guys, gusto ko po ngayon ay paabutin po natin ng 15k followers, 15k subscribers ang aking pong channel. Please lang, please. So guys, ang gagawin nga po pala natin for today's video is mukbang. Pansit canton, pakita ko sa inyo. So guys, yan na po yung pansit canton na haluin ko na po yan at let's get. Lagay, tapos haluin natin yan. At magluluto po tayo ng egg. At ito yung mga ingredients niya. So, panlalagay na natin. Okay. Kung napakita yung paghalo ko, yung paglagay ko ng mga ingredients niya kasi lalagyan ng mata ko. So, guys, okay lang yun. Hinalo lang po natin to. Nalagay na natin yung mga ingredients. Let's go. Yan. So guys, papakita ko na lang po guys kung paluto na at naka-ready na yung food. Okay? So guys, ito na siya. Yan. So, kakain na tayo. Let's go!